FDA approved, instantly gratifying, painless, non-invasive procedures, expert supervision. La la la, la 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 la, la la la. Let it show, just let it show. Skintech Studios, your concern, our solution.
We're going to be talking about the winter changes today from the house of Skintech. As we all know that the winter is already approached and there is going to be a lot of changes that you're going to be seeing on your face, including the chapped lips, cracked heels, overall skin feeling dry and flaky. You know, the need of the moisturizers becomes double or triple fold here. So we're going to be talking about what care are a must for the winters, and also we would show you one of the treatments which is basically performed in the clinic, which is extremely wonderful for repairing the skin, moisturizing the skin, at the same time hydrating the skin. Now the must cares are that do apply a good moisturizer, which is thick moisturizer. Maybe a cream based moisturizer is something which is perfect. However, for an oily skin, you can always go on for gels and mattifying creams, which would do the purpose of a moisturization. Also would not make the skin feel extremely greasy. Also do ensure that you take in a lot of water and make sure that you apply a good sunscreen. The treatment that we are going to be showing you today is a wonderful treatment which is a combination of 3 different treatments in one facial. It's one of the most asked for treatments in the clinic. We are the first clinic in the Eastern India to introduce that. The Medifacial, which is especially for the winters, has microdermabrasion to it, which helps in healing your skin, removing the dead skin. And then we give you the IPL, which basically helps in removing the pigmentation, the blemishes, healing the sensitive skin, and also removing the extreme redness or any blemishes which is there on your facial skin. There is another mode that we apply on the skin, which basically helps in vascular supply, enhances the vascular overall supply, and also clears the lymphatic. And it really is very nice, and it sort of massages the overall face. We shall take you to the demonstration very soon, and you would definitely enjoy watching it. Demonstration for the Medifacial for the winters. This is the device that we basically use for the Medifacial. The Medifacial device has 3 different technologies. One for the microdermabrasion, which helps in peeling off the dead skin tissue, followed by the other technology, which is basically an IPL, which helps in removing the blemishes and the darkness, and also works on the acne. And the third technology is mainly the vacuum, which helps in draining out the lymphatics. We're going to show you the way the procedure is done now. You can see the patient lying here. He has acne, periorbital melanosis, a little tanning on the face, and one of our paramedical esthetician is performing the procedure. The current technology that we're using on the patient is the dermabrasion. It's extremely bearable, very nice and pleasant. At the same time, it does the job of epilating the dead skin tissue, the superficial stratum corneum, and also gives a micropulsation which feels like a massaging. We have different tops here for the microdermabrasion, ranging from the fine to the medium to the coarse tips that we use based on the skin types. Extremely seborrheic skin or very dry and thick skin would need a coarser microdermabrasion. So I personally am very fond of this microdermabrasion, because this is not this doesn't use the same tip for all skin types, so we can practically shuffle the tip of the microdermabrasion or abrada from fine to medium to coarse.
Start.
After the microdermabrasion now, we have gone into the step 2. Now the step 2 is basically done with the help of the light, the intense pulse light, and the intense pulse light helps in treating the acne marks, the pigmentation all over the face, facial skin, as well as the neck skin, and also helps in the overall rejuvenation. So we have nicely combined the two different techniques, one after the other, and tried to give a better healing to the overall skin. Now we have various parameters for the IPL as well, based on where we actually need to work, whether we want to work on the acne, or we want to work on the pigmentation, or we want to work on the general rejuvenation. Now we start with the third step, which is the microcirculation with the help of the vacuum. This is done. Now the paramedics is basically doing the third technology on the patient. This is highly gratifying, very beautiful and nice to feel too, because it helps in the overall massaging of the face, and also helps in clearing off the lymphatics by giving you very little vacuum in the form of a little massage. So this is being done on the overall face, eye surrounding area, neck, and with this we apply the healing mask post the treatment, and that's how we finish with our Medifacial for the winters. We hope you like the treatment, and we are also going to be actually taking the patient's feedback once he finishes off with the treatment.
এটা আমার সেকেন্ড ট্রিটমেন্ট। এই ট্রিটমেন্টটা নেওয়ার পর আমার মুখের ডার্কনেস কম হয়ে গেছে, তারপর আমার মুখে যে গ্লো ছিল সেটা আবার ফিরে এসছে। এখন আমার স্কিনটা অনেক সুন্দর দেখাচ্ছে। থ্যাংকস ফর Skintech Studios.